again with a new video, and for today we're going to have a Shopee haul. This is my first ever Shopee haul in this channel. I have here tops and accessories, bottoms, and more. And by the way, i-display ko na lang dito mamaya sa screen yung amount or yung price ng product, and so I will link down the products in the description box below. So, unahin natin ay yung tops na binili ko. Tada! First set is the tops. Okay, so these tops, I bought this from beautybuffet.ph. First one is this Alex Racer Top Double Fabric. Tela niya is cotton spandex and it fits from small to medium frames. So I bought the color nude. Nakakaputi siya. Very cute and comfy. Maganda talaga yung tela niya for its price. Yung price niya is 94 pesos only. So cute. Okay, let's proceed to the next one. For the next one, I have here the Erica One Strap Basic Top. It's very cute. I bought the color brown and it is only 59 pesos. Very affordable, guys. Okay, so it's very cute. Kita nyo naman sa try-on. I really like it. I have here the Jamie shoulder tie top. Kailangan mo siyang itie. Adjustable siya. It's also cotton spandex. Sinuot ko to sa aking last vlog, which is what's on my iPhone. And it's only 54 pesos. For 54 pesos, guys. Diba? May cute top ka na. Okay, next one is, and the last one, Benetton Cami Crop Top. And it is very, very cute. And this is the color I chose, the navy blue one. And its price is only 59 pesos. Diba? Very affordable. So, yan ang lahat sa aking tops na binili sa Shopee from beautybuffet.ph. Okay, so let's proceed with the bottoms. Mga pang-ilalim. Yung mga shorts na binili ko, yung mga pambahay lang. Bottom. And isang shop lang rin yung binilahan ko nito. And I'm very happy kasi nasa Iloilo City lang siya. Iloilo City. Yung pangalan ng shop na binilihan ko ng mga shorts na ito ay Corona Lifestyle. So, yung shop nila ay nandito lang sa Iloilo City. First one is this shorts. This pambahay na shorts din. With pocket. And makapalin yung tela. Next one is this uso na velvet shorts. I chose my favorite color, which is blue, for this one. Last one is this dolphin shorts. Okay rin siya for its price. Okay, so that's all for my bottoms and my tops. So now let's proceed with accessories. So una is yung phone cases na binili ko. Lahat ng cases na binili ko is sa isang shop lang din. It's an overseas shop. Pero, mabilis siyang dumating. It's called, the shop's name is rosie3c.ph. So, go check them out. Yung case na gamit ko ngayon ay binili ko rin siya online. Holographic siya and it's customized kasi may pangalan ko dyan. And I bought it online sa isang friend ko sa Facebook. Okay, so, let's proceed with the cases I bought from Shopee. These are all. Dalawa lang siya. Yung mga cases ng aking kapatid ay kinuha na niya kanina. Recently, I kinda like pink na. So, first one is this cutie. Nakita niyo rin sa vlog ko na what's on my iPhone. It has a camera cover. The reason why I bought a iPhone case that has a camera protector, careless ako and palagi ko siya nahulog. Tingnan niyo naman yung screen niya, guys. Oh. Natuto na ako kasi on my last phone, which is phone 7 Plus, nahulog ko siya and nasira yung camera niya. And nagpa-camera replacement talaga ako dun pa sa Hong Kong kasi dun binili. And nakita ko sa isang vlog or sa isang video sa YouTube na wala na raw camera replacement yung ganitong phone sa Apple. Kaya bumili ako nito. Next one, hindi ko pa siya nagagamit. Transparent lang yung likod niya. Right. That's all for my iPhone cases na binili. My iPhone cases. So, ito, yung mga accessories na nasa loob nito, I bought these at shopeehaul.ph. Overseas din siya and super tagal niyang dumating. Very, very cute. It's only 8 pesos. And I have here, for online classes, anti-radiation glasses. And it's very cute kasi pink na naman, guys. Mapapakanta ka na lang na ice. Ayaw ko na kumanta kasi baka makopyright ako. Pink is for Blackpink. Pink one and this one. Yung kapatid ko, bumili din siya nung isang ganito pero in the color clear gray, I think. And kinuha na niya. I also have here accessories, necklaces, ear cuff. Ear cuff pa tawag dito. Ear cuff. Ubo. So, I have here this cute necklace na butterfly blue. And I also have here a mini spray bottle. It's a must for today. And for the last one, and I'm very excited for this, I bought this online from an overseas shop. I have this dalawang eyeglasses from an online store. First one is this fashion retro eyeglasses. Color black. Sayang, sana bumili rin ko ng white. And it's very cute for, photo shoots, diba? And it's very affordable, guys. And then, for the last one, and my favorite one, gentlemonster eyeglasses. Ayan siya. Beautiful. Ayan. Insert ko picture ni Jennie. Paki-insert picture ni Jennie. Tapos gagayain ko. O, diba? Magkamukha na kami ni Jennie na sa glasses na ito. So, that's it. That's everything I bought online. Halos lahat from Shopee. And again, yung link ng mga products ay nasa baba sa description box. If you have any questions, suggestions, or comments, just feel free to comment down below. And if you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to get notified when I go live, when I post new videos. Thank you all for watching my first Shopee haul in my channel. Bye-bye.